Welcome to Learn Sword and Timing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is scripting history. हिस्ट्री को स्क्रिप्ट करना। देखो ये आपको पता है कि 100 यानी कि 100 करोड़ अब जो वैक्सीनेशन हो चुका है इंडिया और चाइना में 2.2 बिलियन वैक्सीन, मतलब चाइना का 75% मिड सितंबर तक वैक्सीनेशन हो चुका है अभी। और जो इंडिया है, इंडिया का सिर्फ 1.1 बिलियन ही हुआ है सिर्फ, यानी कि 100 करोड़। चाइना काफ़ी इससे आगे है। इसी को लेकर ये आर्टिकल है। देखो हेडिंग क्या बोलता है, इंडिया मस्ट नॉट लॉस साइट ऑफ द गोल ऑफ वैक्सीनेटिंग ऑल एलिजिबल अडल्ट्स बाय द ईयर ऑफ एंड। जो इंडिया को जो साइट है ग्लोबल वैक्सीनेटिंग की, जो आपका ये 2021 है, इसके एंड तक अडल्ट्स को भी वैक्सीनेशन लगाना है। ओके, चलिए हम डिटेल में डिक्टेट करेंगे इसको @100 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। इंडिया स्क्रिप्टेड हिस्ट्री ऑन थर्सडे विद इट्स COVID-19 vaccine doses administered, crossing the 1 billion mark, accomplished in just about 9 months after the vaccination program rollout on January 16. What is even more outstanding is the targeting of adults. Unlike the established universal immunization program for infants and children, India has never undertaken any massive universal adult vaccination program. That this exercise involving thousands of healthcare workers and others was carried out even while in the midst of a huge number of daily cases in April, May during the second wave makes it even more remarkable. It became possible only because vaccine manufacturers, the Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech were able to ensure uninterrupted vaccine availability even if supply was limited in the beginning. If the Serum Institute had the foresight to begin manufacture in advance, Bharat Biotech's capability to quickly develop an indigenous vaccine with the ICMR ensured that India did not have to endlessly wait for vaccine supplies from other countries. If there was hesitancy initially, even among the health care workers who were the first to be eligible to receive the vaccines, the deadly second wave led to a huge leap in vaccine uptake. Vaccination was opened up to all priority groups and to everyone above 18 years before the second wave peaked in early May. India could have probably reached this grand milestone earlier had time not been wasted in asking states to procure vaccine directly from the two manufacturers at a higher cost due to vaccine the 1844 age group. While basking in glory, it is important not to lose sight of the bigger goal of vaccinating all eligible adults by the year end. Even as vaccine supply is increasing, the pace of the vaccination drive has to be speeded up to meet the objective. If over 75% of the eligible adults have already been vaccinating with one dose, the proportion of adults who are fully vaccinated is only 31%, since vaccination with 2 doses is necessary to increase the protection level. Efforts should be directed at increasing the pace of second dose vaccination. China has already administered over 2.2 billion doses and fully vaccinated over 75% of the eligible population even by mid-September. Crossing the 1 billion mark became possible as India stopped the export of vaccines impacting most low and middle income countries. On October 14, nearly 6 months after halting exports, India finally supplied vaccines to 4 countries. Further supplies will depend on production and demand. It is imperative that vaccine production is quickly ramped up to meet demand. Any more delay in meeting international obligations will greatly hurt India's credibility as a reliable vaccine supplier to the global south. Full stop.